Every flower represents a future bottle of sunflower oil. The journey from field to factory is about to begin. The seeds pass through advanced cleaning equipment. Powerful screens remove leaves, stems, and debris. Magnets extract tiny metal particles from the harvest.
Giant storage silos tower above the factory grounds. Clean seeds are temporarily stored inside these structures.
Seeds enter powerful dehulling machines inside the plant. These machines crack the outer shells efficiently. The valuable kernel is separated from the husk.
Temperature levels are stable. We're maintaining the optimal heat. Excellent. The conditioning is perfect, and efficiency should be maximized in the next stage. It enters large extraction units for further processing. Specialized equipment maximizes oil recovery efficiency. Experienced engineers track performance using digital controls. Bleaching equipment helps improve the oil's appearance. Natura adsorbent materials remove color pigments. Large processing tanks handle enormous volumes.
The refining process begins with degumming treatment. Water and processing aids remove unwanted compounds.
The sunflower oil passes through washing and separation systems. Residual materials are carefully removed. Centrifuges spin at incredible speeds.
Neutralization equipment removes free fatty acids. Specialized processing vessels handle the operation. Chemical reactions improve overall oil quality.
The towering deodorization columns operate at full capacity. Hot steam passes through the refined oil. Volatile compounds are removed efficiently. Ensure the vacuum holds steady at 200 pascals during the steam injection. Confirmed. Temperatures are stable. The neutral profile is achieved. The GC results are back. Purity is at 99.8%.
Excellent. It meets the threshold. I will log it in the system now.
The chromatography results are clear. No contaminants detected.
It passes inspection.
Batch 74A is approved and ready for bottling. We need to expedite distribution planning for the Southeast region.
Understood. I'll inform the floor supervisor.
Labels are applied at incredible speed. Brand information wraps around each bottle perfectly. Automated scanners check label positioning. Packaging quality is continuously inspected.
We need to adjust the timing for the Dallas shipment.
All 20 pallets of sunflower oil verified and ready for loading.
Bay 2 is clear. Get the next shipment ready for dispatch, and we're right on schedule.
Families use sunflower oil in kitchens worldwide. The oil helps prepare countless meals every day.
Technology and agriculture work together seamlessly. From seed collection to bottled oil, every step matters.
The golden oil stands ready for purchase. Its journey from field to bottle is complete. Consumers trust the quality of the product.